Imagine your arteries like an old plumbing system in a house. Rust and debris are silently building up, blocking the flow, making the pressure rise, and then, boom. Everything bursts. The terrifying part is that this destructive process is happening inside your body right now, but doctors usually will not warn you until it is too late, when a heart attack or stroke has already come knocking. Most people think arterial blockage comes from bad genes, old age, or eating too much fat. But that is a massive lie. The real silent killer is not age, and not even cholesterol itself. The real enemy is inflammation, and the microscopic damage happening inside the lining of your blood vessels. Today, I am not going to give you generic advice like eat less salt or take medication for life. Those do not fix the root of the problem. Instead, I will give you the formula for the 5 most powerful functional drinks. These are not folk remedies. These are metabolic powerhouses proven by science to clean your arterial walls, reduce visceral fat, and bring your blood markers back to safe levels within just 30 days. And I want you to pay special attention. You absolutely must not skip drink number 3 and drink number 5. Why? Because drink number 3 contains an ingredient most people think is a junk food that harms the heart. Yet science shows it widens blood vessels even better than blood pressure medication. A fascinating contradiction, right? And drink number 5? If you drink it at the wrong time, it is almost useless. But if you drink it at the exact golden hour I am about to reveal, it will work like a fat-clearing machine while you are asleep. You will want this before your next blood test. Grab a pen and paper. Let us get started. We begin right away with the first drink. I do not call it a fruit juice. I call it an artery-restoring elixir. It is pomegranate. But wait, please do not rush to the supermarket and buy industrial bottled pomegranate juice. That stuff has been pasteurized at high heat, destroying the nutrients, and it is usually loaded with fructose or preservatives. Drinking that will only make your heart condition worse. I'm talking about 100% pure pomegranate juice, or even better, freshly pressed at home. Why do I dare to call it an elixir? Let us look at the science. There was a groundbreaking study conducted at the Technion Institute of Technology in Israel in 2004 that shocked the medical world. Scientists selected patients with severe carotid artery narrowing, which is the main artery that carries blood to the brain, and gave them exactly 1 ounce, about 30 milliliters, of pomegranate juice every day for an entire year. The results were truly shocking. While the group that did not drink pomegranate juice saw their arterial plaque increase by another 9%, the group that drank pomegranate saw their plaque thickness decrease by 30%. You heard that right, a 30% reduction. This is not prevention, this is disease reversal. Not only that, the study also showed that the oxidation level of LDL cholesterol in their blood dropped by an incredible 90%. Remember this clearly. Cholesterol does not kill you. What kills you is oxidized cholesterol, the rusted kind that sticks to artery walls. And pomegranate cleanse that rust. So how does it work? The secret lies in a compound called punicogens. This compound protects an extremely delicate layer inside your blood vessels called the glycocalyx. Imagine the glycocalyx like a thin, slippery layer or a non-stick Teflon coating inside your arteries. When this layer is healthy, blood cells glide smoothly without sticking and causing blockages. On top of that, pomegranate stimulates the body to increase nitric oxide by 23%, naturally widening the diameter of your blood vessels. So how should you drink it to get maximum benefits without worrying about sugar? Here is my golden formula. Take about 4 to 8 ounces, which is 120 to 240 milliliters, of pure pomegranate juice. Because pomegranate still contains natural sugars, we dilute it with 8 ounces of water. The key is to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to prevent an insulin spike. Finally, squeeze in half a lemon and add a pinch of Himalayan salt to boost electrolytes. Stir it well and enjoy. And here is a professional tip for you. The best time to drink this elixir is 30 minutes before you exercise. The increase in nitric oxide will help pump blood and oxygen to your muscles, give you an amazing pump feeling, and protect your heart while you move. But if you are a coffee lover like me, then drink number 2 will change your life. It turns your morning habit into a real fat-burning machine. If you are still watching up to this point, I am very glad because it means you are truly serious about taking back your health. Please leave the number 1 in the comments so I know you are still here. And if you have any additional questions related to today's topic, do not hesitate to share them with me. Let us move on to drink number 2. This is wonderful news for coffee lovers, and I know many of you watching this video cannot start your day without it. I call this formula the metabolic furnace. Its ingredients include high-quality coffee, grass-fed butter, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. I know what you are thinking. Putting butter and oil into coffee? That sounds disgusting and greasy. I understand that feeling, because the first time I heard about it, I reacted exactly the same way you did. But I promise you this, the taste is much better than you imagine. When you blend them together, it does not become oily at all. Instead, it creates a smooth, creamy foam, rich and silky, just like an expensive latte at a coffee shop. But more important than the flavor is the reason why you need to drink it this way, instead of drinking black coffee or coffee with milk and sugar. Let us look at the science behind coffee beans. Clean coffee, free of mold, is rich in polyphenols and a compound called chlorogenic acid. A recent 2022 meta-analysis showed that drinking coffee regularly significantly improves endothelial function in the blood vessels. But the real magic only happens when you combine coffee with healthy fats, like butter and olive oil. This combination gives you 3 enormous benefits. First, the fat slows down the absorption of caffeine. This helps you stay alert in a smooth way, maintaining your energy throughout the morning without jitters, rapid heartbeat, or the energy crash after a few hours. Second, it activates a mild state called autophagy. Imagine your body has a team of maintenance workers, and when autophagy is activated, this team travels through your blood vessels to eat and clean up old or damaged cells. And third, high-quality olive oil is the enemy of visceral fat and fatty liver. So how do you prepare it? Here is my formula. You need about 12 ounces, around 350 milliliters, of clean coffee, organic and mold-free. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, preferably grass-fed or ghee. Finally, add a pinch of sea salt to replenish minerals for your adrenal glands. Put everything into a blender or use a handheld frother and blend for 10 seconds. Do not just stir with a spoon. Blend it to create an emulsion. And here is an extremely important tip for this drink. Do not drink it right after you open your eyes. When you first wake up, your stress hormone cortisol is at its natural highest level to wake you up. If you consume caffeine at this moment, it will cause extra stress on your heart. Wait 90 minutes after waking. By then, cortisol has decreased, and this creamy coffee will deliver its full effects: fat burning, alertness, and artery protection. But if you are someone who loves sweets or gets cravings in the afternoon, then drink number 3 will be your lifesaver. It contains an ingredient that everyone thinks is bad, but is shockingly good for your heart. Drink number 3. I call it a slightly technical name, but it is extremely accurate. Vascular tonic from cacao. I know. When people hear cacao or chocolate, most immediately think of sugary sweet candy bars, dessert treats loaded with sugar that cause obesity and diabetes. But let us be clear, industrial chocolate is trash, while pure cacao, raw cacao, is nature's black gold. In reality, pure cacao is one of the most powerful foods on the planet for protecting your heart. Let me prove it with numbers that speak for themselves. A famous study from Harvard University in 2006 discovered this. When adults consumed cacao rich in flavanol, their blood flow improved dramatically, increasing by up to 400%. Imagine the highways carrying blood inside your body expanding 4 times wider. If the flow is that open, how could blockage even form? And it does not stop there. The Cosmos trial in 2022, a massive clinical trial on 21,000 participants, reached a final conclusion. Using cacao extract daily reduces deadly cardiovascular events by 27%. An incredibly impressive number for a natural bean. Why can cacao do this miracle? Because it is a factory for producing nitric oxide. When flavanols in cacao enter the bloodstream, they instruct the arterial lining to produce nitric oxide abundantly. Within 30 minutes, your stiff blood vessels will relax, soften, and lower blood pressure naturally without medication. So how do you drink it correctly without flooding your body with sugar? Here is my vascular tonic cacao latte recipe. You need 1 teaspoon of pure cacao powder and make sure the label says raw, organic, and unsweetened. Mix it with 8 to 10 ounces of warm water. If you want it to taste better, use unsweetened macadamia milk or almond milk to increase the creaminess. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to support stable blood sugar. And here is my little secret to double the effect. Add just a tiny pinch, only the tip of your fingernail, of cayenne pepper. Do not worry, it will not make the drink spicy, but the capsaicin in the pepper will stimulate maximum blood vessel dilation, helping cacao nutrients travel throughout your body faster. This is the perfect drink to replace your afternoon snack. You know that window around 3 to 4 p.m. when your energy crashes and you crave sugar like crazy? Instead of grabbing a cookie, make this cacao drink. It satisfies your sweet craving, keeps you alert, and quietly cleans your arteries at the same time. But if your problem is not only narrow blood vessels, but also high blood sugar and insulin resistance, the root cause that makes your arterial walls turn hard like stone, then drink number 4 is exactly the assassin you need to find. We now come to drink number 4. If you ask me which is the cheapest yet most effective thing to control metabolism, I would not hesitate to name this one, the insulin-killing shot. Its main ingredients are apple cider vinegar and lemon. Why do I call it a killer? Because if inflammation is the fire burning your blood vessels, then high insulin is the gasoline being poured onto that fire. When your insulin stays high continuously, the arterial wall becomes stiff and thick, losing the elasticity it needs. And this is when apple cider vinegar steps onto the stage. Do not just listen to me, listen to the prestigious journal Diabetes Care. Researchers conducted clinical trials and discovered that just by drinking apple cider vinegar before a meal, you can lower your post-meal blood sugar by up to 34%. And if you drink it before bed, it reduces your fasting blood sugar the next morning by 4%. The number 34% is extremely large. It is equivalent to, and sometimes even stronger than, the effects of certain diabetes medications today. Its mechanism is simple but genius. The main component in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid. When it enters the intestines, acetic acid acts as a strict gatekeeper. It temporarily disables the enzymes that digest starch. The result? The starch you eat is digested more slowly, and the sugar enters the bloodstream gradually instead of flooding in like a waterfall, giving your pancreas a rest and preventing insulin from shooting up. Here is my medically standard preparation formula. You need 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Important note: choose organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the line with the mother. Do not buy the clear processed vinegar. It no longer has any benefits. Mix it with a large glass of water, about 300 milliliters. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and add a few slices of fresh ginger to enhance digestion. And here is the must-remember tip. First, always use a straw, stainless steel, or glass when drinking this. The acid in vinegar is good for your gut, but not friendly to your tooth enamel. A straw solves that problem. Second, the golden timing is 15 to 20 minutes before the meal of the day that contains the most starch, usually lunch or dinner. Think of it as a shield protecting your body before you take in energy. But the battle to protect your heart does not end at the dining table. It continues even while you sleep. And drink number 5, the final drink, is the key to extinguishing the fire of inflammation during the night. Finally, and perhaps most importantly for protecting your sleep, we have the golden milk that extinguishes inflammation. You know, if daytime is when the body must fight and endure pressure, then nighttime is when the repair crew works. However, chronic inflammation is like a smoldering fire burning the blood vessels even while you sleep, blocking this precious recovery process. To extinguish it, turmeric, or more specifically, the active compound curcumin, is nature's strongest fire extinguisher. But there is a harsh truth that most people don't know, which is that curcumin is extremely difficult to absorb. If you simply sprinkle turmeric powder into water and drink it, then I am sorry to say, 99% of it will be eliminated and you are wasting your money. The real secret lies in the activation formula. Science requires you to combine turmeric with fat and a special carrier called piperine found in black pepper, which increases absorption by up to 2,000%. Therefore, to prepare a medically correct evening cup, warm about 250 milliliters of coconut milk or almond milk. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a little cinnamon, a slice of ginger, and most importantly, do not forget a pinch of black pepper and a small spoon of coconut oil. Drink this warm mixture about 30 minutes before sleep. It does not only soothe the blood vessels, but also acts as a natural sedative that helps you sleep more deeply. At this point, I know I have given a lot of information and you may be confused, wondering whether you have to drink all 5 types in one day, and how your stomach could even hold that much. Do not worry, the answer is no. To achieve maximum results in the next 30 days, you only need a simple schedule like this. Start your morning with the fatty coffee to kickstart fat burning. Drink a cup of apple cider vinegar before lunch to stop insulin spikes. In the afternoon, when you feel sleepy, have a cup of hot cacao, and end the long day with the restorative golden milk. That is all. Besides that, there are a few questions I often receive that I want to answer right away so you can feel at ease applying this. First, if you have a sensitive stomach, absolutely do not drink coffee or apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach. Eat something first. And for apple cider vinegar, dilute it with plenty of water and sip slowly. Do not force your body to endure it. Second, regarding when you will see results, because blood cells renew continuously, if you follow this schedule for 30 days while reducing sugar, feel confident to retest your inflammation markers like CRP or HbA1c. I believe even your doctor will be shocked and say, "What did you do?" And finally, a very important safety note is that turmeric and ginger have very strong natural blood thinning effects. So if you are using prescription medications such as warfarin or aspirin, ask your doctor before using high doses to ensure complete safety. Now that you know what to drink to clean your blood vessels, what about what to eat? Do you know there is a cheap food available in every household refrigerator, which the media has lied to us about for 50 years, claiming it causes heart disease? They say eating it will clog your arteries, but I say eating 4 of them a day will save your brain and extend your lifespan. You will be truly